We can't survive without learning. Learning means acting and interacting with our environment. It means changing, adapting, and reinventing ourselves. As we learn, we become someone else. We transform our vision of the world. Because learning is changing. This relationship with knowledge gives meaning to our work and enables us to achieve professional excellence. Promoting professional excellence means developing a culture of learning how to learn. It means giving ourselves every chance of becoming the best we can be. At COVERGUARD, we bet on all workers who want to do well. We bet on those singularities that make the difference. We bet on every individual, because every skill matters. To build a more sustainable future,